I would like to do a couple edits on the drawer construction here. I forgot a couple embellishments that I think are important, and they have to do with the back end of this drawer construction. And the first thing is to create a little bevel on the back top of the side component here. So I'll edit the side component and just draw in a slight bevel back here on the top edge. This helps get the drawer into the case. So it's about the same angle as the dovetail, and in fact I'll go a little bit more than that angle, about like that, and then push that out to the back. So we've got a nice little bevel there on that corner. And then the other thing that I would like to do is has to do with the top edge of the back piece needs to be beveled. Before I do that, hide this side so we can get a good look here. And I want to bevel this top edge here, and I'll find the center and then maybe come down about that far with the bevel, and then go out. There's a little bit of a flat. Let me go about a 1/16, an 1/8 flat up here on the top, so another 1/16 there, and edit the component and draw in the bevel here and here, and then use the push-pull to go back to the back, double click and close component, get rid of the guides, and unhide the side. Oh, there's one other little thing I like to do on the bottom. I want to cut this corner here, bevel off that corner, because that gets broken, and I'll just come back maybe about 1/4 of an inch, like that, and edit the bottom and come across here, and I've got that magenta color that gives me a equal to 45-degree angle then. Now this is tricky because I'm going through a bevel, another bevel down here, so I have to hit the control key to actually copy I can't just push-pull that through because I've got this bevel down here, and I'm going to pull that through like that, and the next thing is to do an intersect faces here with the model on that little beveled face, which now intersects, and I should be able to just use the erase tool to knock out this corner here, get rid of the waste cleanly, and reverse faces. And I've got a nice little bevel there. Now I can maybe, let me just try this. I'll copy that decoration there and pull it back to the other corner. Flip it on red and then bring it back in, grabbing that corner, red axis, connecting it there. Now, can I just delete that waste? Should work. And it does. Get rid of the guide. And we've got better looking drawer with those little embellishments. So that completes an 18th century drawer construction.